Imagine sitting at your desk, spending hours clicking through endless drop-down menus across 3 different screens just to set up remote computers. One wrong click or one forgotten checkbox, and the whole system crashes. It is a frustrating, error-prone way to work. But what if you could write down exactly what you needed in a simple text document, press a single button, and watch a massive network build itself perfectly every time? This visual learning plan maps out a 10-day journey to teach you how to do exactly that, using a tool called Terraform. By the end of this apprenticeship, you'll be managing your entire digital world with code, turning your design plans into a reality that builds itself. Look at the center of this diagram, comparing the old manual setup with the coding way. Instead of physically logging in and clicking to create a filing system or a network, you simply define those pieces in plain text. That text file acts as a universal set of instructions. It speaks the language of all the major platforms, whether you use Amazon, Microsoft, or Google. This section shows the specific language we use to talk to the cloud. Think of it as a specialized recipe book. You list your ingredients and state exactly how you want them prepared. Down in the workflow diagram, you see the actual process. You write your text, run a plan command to preview changes, and then run apply to officially build it. Because you always preview the plan first, there is zero guesswork. You know exactly what will be created or deleted before spending a single dollar. As you build larger systems, you don't want to rewrite the same instructions every time. This section shows how variables allow you to leave placeholders in your text, like the size of a computer, so your blueprints become highly customizable templates. To manage all these moving parts, Terraform uses a state file. Think of state as the system's brain, tracking exactly what exists. It compares new instructions to this memory file, calculates the difference, and updates only necessary pieces, saving immense time. This chart shows how the system handles the build order. It understands that you can't plug in a computer until you've built the network it connects to. With variables, a memory file, and automatic ordering, your code is now a highly intelligent engine that understands context and actively manages your environment. When you are ready to scale up, you use modules. This diagram maps how modules work like pre-packaged building blocks. You can stack standard, reusable security or network pieces together to form a massive system instantly. Look at the lock icon in the lifecycle rules box. This is where you add safety mechanisms to those blocks, telling the system to lock critical files and prevent anyone from accidentally deleting them. This diagram shows how you use the same instructions to spin up identical separate environments, like testing and life. To do this with a large team, you move the memory file into the cloud, ensuring everyone works from the exact same truth. Reusable blocks and a shared memory are what allow massive organizations to safely collaborate on a single infrastructure blueprint without stepping on each other's toes. Before taking a system live, you need professional safeguards, like never writing passwords directly into your blueprints. We also add an automated workflow. It acts like a robotic assembly line, inspecting code for errors and testing it safely before going live. By hiding your passwords and automating your quality checks, your code becomes highly secure, entirely predictable, and fully ready for the real world. Here is the Day 10 project diagram. It brings every single concept we've covered into a complete, secure, working cloud environment. Your reusable blocks snap into place, your variables customize the settings, and your shared memory file guides the build perfectly. Think back to the frustration of endlessly clicking through menus and hunting down typos. Now, that entire ordeal is replaced by typing a single command to apply your changes. Looking at this completed checklist, you have successfully built a solid foundation in modern cloud engineering. Mastering Terraform teaches you the code, but more importantly, it upgrades how you operate. You have officially graduated from manual clicking to automated architecture.